with another question. This is from CSIR NET JRF December 2018. Question number is 92. Booklet code is A. So this question is from differential equation or ordinary differential equation and based on the variation of parameter. Let's start with the question. So question is the method of variation of parameter to solve the second order non-homogeneous differential equation, which is y double dash py dash qy equal to rx, which is defined on an interval I, where p, q and r are continuous function. Seeking a particular solution, which is yp equal to v1 y1 plus v2 y2, where v1 and v2 are any two functions which are obtained from variation of parameter. y1 and y2 are two linearly independent solutions for homogeneous linear differential equation, which is y double dash plus py dash plus qy equal to 0. Now first option is whether Wronskian of y1 y2 is 0 or non-zero. We have to identify this one. Second option, this v1 v2 which are obtained from variation of parameter and v1 y1 plus v2 y2, which is that yp particular solution, are twice differentiable or not. Third option is v1 v2 may not be twice differentiable, but y1 v1 plus v1 y1 plus v2 y2 is twice differentiable. And fourth option is the solution set of the y differential equation y double dash plus py dash plus qy equal to 0 equal to rx is of the form a y1 plus b y2 plus yp. So these are four options. So let's start with the what is the variation of parameter. We know that if y1 and y2 are two Li solutions of homogeneous linear equation y double dash py dash plus q of y equal to 0, then the particular integral of non-homogeneous equation is given by some v1 y1 plus v2 y2, where v1 is given by minus of y2 x into r of x whole upon Wronskian of y1 and y2. Similarly, v1 dash is given by this one and v2 dash is given by y1x r of x whole upon Wronskian of y1 and y2. So these v1 dash v2 dash are obtained by variation of parameter. Now come to options. First option is Wronskian of y1 y2 is non-zero, since the y1 y2 are two linearly independent solutions of the homogeneous linear equation and with p and q are continuous, and we know that the Wronskian of any two solution is either identically 0 or never 0, and Wronskian is non-zero if and only if solutions are linearly independent. Since y1 or y2 are linearly independent, so Wronskian must be non-zero. So your first option definitely correct option. Now come to second option. Second option is v1 and v2, v1 y1 plus v2 y2 is twice differentiable. Since v1 dash is given by this and v2 dash is given by this, and this y2 is a solution of second order homogeneous differential equation which is twice differentiable. A Wronskian of any two solution is differentiable function, but higher order derivative may not exist. So this w is differentiable function. This rx is given that which is continuous but need not be differentiable. So overall this term is maybe differentiable, maybe not, since rx is only continuous function. It is need not be differentiable. So this v1 dash may not be differentiable, or v1 dash is not differentiable, that is v1 may or may not be twice differentiable. Similarly v2 dash need not be differentiable implies v2 may or may not be twice differentiable. Hence this second option definitely falls. v1 and v2 and v1 y1 v2 y2 twice differentiable, since v1 and v2 may or may not be differentiable. Now come to third option. Third option, v1 v2 may not twice differentiable. This part is true. Second part is v1y1 plus v2y2 is twice differentiable. Since v1y1 plus v2y2 is a particular solution, and by definition of a solution it must be twice differentiable because it is the solution of the second order differential equation. So your third option definitely correct option. Now fourth option, it is given that the general solution or solution set of this non-homogeneous equation is a1y1 plus b1y2 plus y2x. So we know that the general solution of non-homogeneous equation is of the form complementary function plus particular solution. So in this case, a1y1 plus b2y2 is a just complementary function, that is solution of homogeneous equation, and yp is already given that, which is particular solution of non-homogeneous equation. Hence your solution set must be of this form. So your fourth option definitely correct option.